the third part of our PC build. Arctic Silver 5. Thermal paste. Very important, but also tremendously boring. It's a clear sack. Little syringy fellow. Just, I mean, look at this. It's tiny. There's not really much else to say. You put it on the CPU, you put it on the cooler, you squish them together, it works. Tiny syringe. So there's our thermal paste. It goes with the cooler that you saw yesterday. It'll go with the CPU that you'll be seeing in a few more days. It's a very important part, but sorry it's not more exciting. Thank you for watching our thrilling unboxing of this little guy. And if you continue following along, we'll open up the rest of our computer build parts. And then at the end, we'll build a computer out of those parts.